Hi and welcome back to Cheeky Crypto. My name's Chris and it's fantastic to have you back with us for another video. And in today's video, it's a huge video. I couldn't put that in the thumbnail or the title, but it is huge news. And Vechain are making big moves in Europe, and I've touched on what they're doing, moving their head office to Europe, but there's more updates on that. We're going to also look at the upgrade and some other aspects of Vechain. I'm also going to have a bit of a rant at the end of the video, right? I'm not in the best of moods today. This is about 𝗕𝗘𝗪𝗔𝗥𝗘 at this rate, and yeah, look, I'm just going to roll all the way through it, and I'm not going to edit anything. So it is what it is. But I'm going to have a rant at the end of the video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on my rant at the end in the comments below. If you enjoy this sort of content, mash up the like button, subscribe if I haven't subscribed already, tapping that bell, selecting all the notifications so you never miss a video. And don't forget to jump in our Discord. It's absolutely free to join. You won't regret it. There's over 4,500 people talking about crypto 24/7. Supporting one another, navigate the space safely. And that is so important in a bear market, in a recession, that, you've got the opportunity to learn from a fantastic community, learn from the mistakes they've made so you don't need to make them. Definitely won't regret going down there. So check it out. If you're not there, you're missing out. Right, let's get down to the desktop. Okay, so we're going to start on coin market cap. Now, Vechain is down 3.38% at the time of recording at 0.02192, ranked 33rd by market cap. The ticker is VET. You can purchase it on the likes of Binance and KuCoin, just to list a few. There are other exchanges. Now, with that said, I'm not encouraging anybody to FOMO into purchasing any of the projects or altcoins or Bitcoin or anything like that, any of the projects we talk about here at Cheeky Crypto. However, I am encouraging you to go do your own research. There's no substitute for it. There's a lot of other influencers that, in my eyes and my opinion, are just complete bellends. And, because of these people, having their own, I guess, their own interests at heart and not their communities, tars us all with the same brush. So I'm telling you guys, go away, do your own research. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. Treat everything I say with a pinch of salt. Treat it as educational purposes only. No substitute for your own research, right? Like, I hate saying this every video, but we kind of have to because there's a load of bellends that don't care about you. Anyway, I told you I'm in a bad mood. It kind of is what it is. You can take it or leave it. Up to you. But Vechain, to expand European team with over 100 new developers. And I think this is huge news. I can't put that in the thumbnail or the title, apparently. You guys know my job better than I do. But in my opinion, which I thought is why people watch it, watch the channel, I think this is huge news. Now, let me dig into why. So Vechain have confirmed, so the foundation has confirmed that they're going to hire over 100 new developers to work in Europe, pushing out new tools, technologies, developer libraries, and so on. So for me, this is really important, right? Like, this is a big deal. They moved their head office to Europe. That was big because there was a load of FUD around it being a China project, even though it wasn't even a China project. And look, you have to kind of like make big moves to be able to get rid of some of that FUD. I think Vechain are doing a fantastic job. So they moved their head office to Europe. They're now looking to drive a lot of project work in Europe, right? They're a foundation, right? So we're seeing great partnerships, solid partnerships with real world companies, right, with real world utility. This is very different to what we see with a lot of other projects in the space, and is one of the reasons why I really like Vechain, and I think Vechain's going to do really, really well. I like the team. I think they're great. I talk to them, fairly regular. I think they've got great tech. I think that they are well funded, right? And the fact that they've got all these pillars is why I invested so heavily in Vechain. Obviously, this is my opinion. You can go away and do your own research, but they've also broken into the US market, and again, this is big. With their logistics, supply chain work and stuff like that. So, this is all really, really positive for the future. Again, it's real world utility, very different to other projects. Now, I don't want to just get hooked on, right, this is Vechain's main sort of driver for their project. Don't get me wrong, they're looking at DeFi now. You've got VUSD, you've got NFTs, you've got metaverse. There's a real willingness from Vechain to enhance, not just focusing business to business, but business to customer as well, with the different types of use case that is now being rolled out on Vechain. So look, we thought Vechain was going to do go to about $1 last bull cycle, right, along with many other people. But it's more likely to do it moving forward than it was in the previous bull cycle. The project, technically, from a technology point of view, is more superior now than when it was at its all-time high in the previous run. And we've seen many more developments. The DeFi aspect, the VUSD, cut my words out. So we've seen huge developments from Vechain's side, and I'm expecting more developments over the coming weeks and months. I really like this project. The projects to really focus on in a bear market are the ones that are well funded, great teams, great tech, and a building. Right, these are like pillars of of big importance. I would also couple that with the size of community. And I think Vechain have got a really sizable and strong community that I really like as well. So, look, they've got everything. And that is the point that I'm trying to make. They're a 5-star rated blockchain technology. The other thing to mention is next week, voting begins for a major Vechain mainnet upgrade, Proof of Authority 2.0, an update that radically enhances Vechain's ability to deliver fast-growing global demand for scalable, fully secured public blockchain. So look, definitely get involved in this if you're able to be one of those individuals to take part in the vote. I encourage people, call for action to go do this. I think it's really important. Do let me know your thoughts and opinions on everything Vechain. Really interested to get your views and opinions on that. I think this project is going to do really, really well in the next bull cycle. Really like the project. And I don't want to sort of get, too caught up in, what we thought was going to happen in the last cycle and what did happen in the last cycle. For me, it's all about looking forward, learning from mistakes that have been made. And ultimately, I think, we're stronger as individuals and stronger as a channel, learning as we go through, just like you and everybody in the community, right? So look, lots going on. My little rant, right? These people in the comments saying that I shouldn't, use the word huge or massive or breaking or anything like that. I don't come to your workplace and tell you what to do. Don't come to my workplace and tell me what to do. Right? I'm going to title these videos how I see fit. If I think something's huge news, I'll put it as huge news. If I think it's breaking news, I will put it as breaking news. My point that I'm trying to make is you come here for my opinion. The titles, the thumbnails are also part of my opinion. So, if you don't like it, don't watch it. Like, bottom line, right? But you're here because I raise great points. I talk about projects that I believe in. I highlight gems to you guys. You don't pay nothing for it. So, if you don't like it, don't watch. I'm not forcing you to watch. I'm not asking you to watch. It's up to you. At the end of the day, you don't like it, do one. That's my rant. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on it. I don't walk into McDonald's and tell them how to cook a hamburger. I don't expect people to tell me how to title a video and how to make a thumbnail, right? This goes for anybody that's looking to make thumbnails for YouTube channels. Don't come to me in the emails and tell me that my thumbnails are rubbish. Don't tell me that you can do it better, because you ain't going to get hired. It is what it is. That's my rant. Sorry that I have to have it, but it needs to be said. If you don't like it, do one. With that said, this is a small minority of our community. Some people appreciate the hard work that we put into this channel. People appreciate the amount of money that it costs to run a channel. We have, I don't know how many staff working for our channel now, but it really annoys me when people come tell me what to do. You ain't got the right. That's my opinion. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks to the community that are supportive. And if you don't like anything here, don't have to watch. Go away. Right. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.